So inside it looks like this. We open it and here it has some anti-moisture thing, and then it's packed here. Wireless go number 2. I've got the one that has single set, so it comes with one transmitter and one receiver, or one transmitter, one receiver. So it comes with, let's open it. Comes with pouch like this. Pouch can be opened like so, and it has Velcro here. Simple and small. And then inside we have 2 transmitters and then cables. So they are put like this, and they come with those furry stuff here. They come also here, furry inserts to put on. Cute. And then it has 2 road things. How to take them out? Oh, like this. Wireless. Wireless go number 1. And wireless go number 2. So it looks like this. So here on top, here's inputs, headphone input, and USB-C. Here's some two things, and here's like this. So this one is with microphone. I see in this one maybe it doesn't have microphone. Or does it? I don't know. But this one has microphone, you see? And you can plug here another microphone, like different kind. Oh, and then you have a better one. I see. And this clip can be also inserted on top of camera. Same as this kind. I see. What does it comes with? Comes with box. Side of the box. Let's see what it is. So box. Let's open it. Here is instruction. Here is 2 USB-C cables. Route USB-C to USB. Here. And one is cable for, I guess it's for to connect your transmitter with camera. But I'm thinking also if it's possible because when you want to connect it with camera, you need, with iPhone you need cable that is lightning to this kind. But I have this kind of lightning to female or something, and maybe I can connect it to this one and connect this one to iPhone, and maybe it will work. We will see. But first I have to read what it says here, so I'll be reading now. So I will turn it on. And let's turn on this one. Oh, see? Now it shows both of them. And even battery level. But which one is number 2? Blah blah blah. I don't know which one is number 2. And I said something to press it free. Here in the instruction they say to press it 3 seconds together. So let's do it. I don't know now, 2 icons. Like 2 icons. I'm not sure if I connected together or not. Not sure. Test 1 2 3 1 2 3 without microphone, and then I will connect and we will see. So now I'm recording with this connected, but it's through adapter, so I don't know if it will work. Let's just test. Then I will transfer this file and see if it's better sound or it doesn't work. Also, I'm not sure if it's working now. If they together working or not. Hope so. Hope. I hope so. Okay. Bye. See, this one has to be charged and this one is blinking. So maybe I will charge it. Okay. Bye. And here is test of the microphone on the camera, which is on Canon SL2, which is normal camera. And now I will connect other one and see if it's working or not. Okay, and now I'm recording with my other microphone, so I have it here. Test 1 2 3 test microphone Rode wireless go number 2 1 2 3. And I can put it here. 1 2 3 test 1 2 3. Hello, how are you? Okay, that was my test. It is nice. Hello, are you even moving? This lens is not like so quiet. Hope this lens is fine. Okay, it's moving. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is test of microphone. Maybe it will be nice making it outside when it's big traffic. Maybe it's less hearable. Yeah, and it was charged pretty fast in 1 or 2 hours. That receiver, because now it shows that it's fully charged. Now I'm vlogging by the way on the zoom lens 18 to 200, but in future I want to buy this Vitrox thing and then converter, and then I can attach here this 60mm lens. Now is another test with my Rode Wireless Go, and it should record. I updated them and I have merged settings, and also maybe could do something else like this thing. Put this on. Okay, it's just turning mechanism, and now it's on. Maybe I clip it to my sweater somewhere here. Or in blouse somehow like this. I put it here. So I'm testing my voice. I don't talk loud, but we will see. Testing voice 1, 2, 3. Testing voice 1, 2, 3. Testing voice 1, 2, 3. Testing. Okay, testing voice 1, 2, 3. Testing voice. Settings. Yay, so nice. So today is a nice day. It was not too warm, it was only 32 Fahrenheit, but right now it's night and it's only 18 Fahrenheit. So it's much colder. So yeah, that's the end of my test. We will see if I like the audio or not. Microphone test 1, 2, 3. Microphone test 1, 2, 3. Microphone test 1, 2, 3. So I'm vlogging today. Today is nice weather. Outside is sunny and very bright sun. Guys, nice sunny day. And some birds were, but I don't see them now. Snow still on the ground. Some person walking. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Okay, bye. That's my test. See you later. Zobaczymy, jaka jest jakość. Tak, więc teraz nagrywa się z jakością minus 27 decybeli i dalej cichawo mówię i dalej mam tego kotka podłączonego i dalej. Teraz, manualne ustawienie. Teraz rozłączam kota. Teraz ustawienie jest takie. Bez kota, na dekolcie, nie bezpośrednio, 27 decybeli. Pok, pok. To jest mikrofon. Ciekawe jaka jakość. Ok, kończę. Bye, bye.